Okay, my name is Patsy Carney and I'm the CEO of Eirgen Pharma. Eirgen Pharma was founded here in 2005 by myself and Tom Brennan, who normally sits at the other side of this camera. We saw a niche in the market in terms of the development and manufacture of what we call high potency pharmaceutical products. But this real opportunity turned up when Tom and I were actually doing an MBA in UL while still working with our previous employers. And as part of that MBA program, there was an entrepreneurship module, and we had to put a business plan together. And we had a bit of a light bulb moment going, well, this might be more than an academic exercise. So before we knew it, I'd actually resigned, left my previous employment, and after Christmas in 2006 was at home on my own with the dog going, okay, we better get this show on the road. So, I mean, since we started in 2005, there's been a number of major milestones along the way. I suppose by the end of 2006 to have actually secured enough funding to get the actual show on the road. About 1.5 million or thereabouts at that stage. We had the money by Christmas. We actually had the thing built up and running by August that year, 8 months later. Those early milestones mean probably a hell of a lot more than some of the later ones. The next major development for us was raising funding back in 2012, which we took in from Saudi investors, a company called Spermaco. So that was 19 million, which valued the company at over 45 million. And that drove us on then to last year, which is when we sold the entire company to OPCO in Miami for $135 million, as it was at the time. So all our investors quite happy at that stage. Raising funding is extremely difficult. Going around to venture capitalists, telling you, why are you building a new facility? There's no need for that. Get it made somewhere else, you know. Those early days would have been very difficult. Then also, as the numbers begin to grow, the responsibility is huge. It isn't just to you and your business partner. You're now starting to take on people and their families and everything that goes with that. Every time you get knocked down, some fellas after picking a hole in some part of the business plan, and do you know what? Sometimes they're right. So you got to go back and figure out, how can I defend that again? What was wrong? Or is it, you know, fundamentally they were correct, and that part of the business plan is rubbish. And then when it comes to fundraising, if you can at all, don't bootstrap it. Raise enough, raise more than enough, and definitely raise more than you thought you should raise. The buzz that you get from actually running your own business is in sharp contrast to the many years I spent working for multinationals. Being nimble and being able to be flexible, react to situations, make decisions, and be the decision maker, it's the great part of actually running your own business. Building out more of what we have here at Westside, but also more importantly building our new R&D facility out the Top Road and the Advanced Technology Building we've just taken from the IDA, and that's onwards and upwards to the next adventure.